Hey, welcome back. Today is December 9th, Wednesday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about Ripple, XRP, USD, see what has changed since the last time we talked. I'll be sharing with you my today's bullish and bearish case scenarios that could extend out for the next few days, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets. Just doing a quick recap on Bitcoin dominance. It is trending downwards, while Bitcoin price action does seem to be stabilized at this moment. Now, if Bitcoin dominance trends down while Bitcoin price action stays stabilized or just goes slightly upwards but not having a pullback, that could be better trading opportunities for altcoins. Those are going to be the top market factors I'll be looking out for when considering altcoin positions. Now let's take a look into XRP. Since the last time we have spoke, I had mentioned that XRP was in a smaller symmetrical triangle. However, now, since XRP has made quite a few moves downwards, the bottom trend line of that symmetrical triangle pattern, initially the much smaller symmetrical triangle pattern, has extended, and now we had to extend and widened that symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle patterns are still continuation patterns, 60% chance of it breaking upwards. If it does actually break upwards by about December 19th, which would be the current apex of the triangle now, the conservative target would be about 82 cents now, okay? A lot lower than what it was before, but who knows? It could pump higher, but the measured targets may or may not be reached. It is only theory. Of course, if the price action actually breaks out sooner, we can expect a higher measure target. Now, let's take a look into some oscillators, okay, including the RSI. So, we do have a pretty high reading on the RSI since last high on the daily time frame. So, it's going to be about 92 to actually beat. So, if the next move out of XRP does not beat the RSI reading here of about 92, I could expect either a pullback soon after, or it could come right back down. So this is something I'll be paying attention to. The RSI readings that was made from the last high on the price action chart. And same thing on the 3-day chart, some pretty high RSI readings as well. So this is going to cause some concerns for the next move higher, okay? Because if the next move higher on the price action chart makes a higher high but does not beat that RSI reading, that could spell potential bearish divergence, and that could signal a pullback more often than not. So that is something to be watching out for, at least in my opinion. Now, this is my evaluation of the markets for XRP right now. Of course, it's going to very much depend on what Bitcoin does, what Bitcoin dominance does. And now let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario, well, obviously for the price action to break out of the symmetrical triangle pattern. Right now, I am seeing that the price action and the daily 21 simple moving average has converged for the first time since that crazy pump from about even 25 cents to over 92 cents, okay, to 92 cents. And now this is the first time the price action is at the daily 21 simple moving average. I do think this is significant because if we don't actually get a pump from here, from the daily 21 simple moving average being the catalyst, then, what could be the next catalyst? Would it be the 3-day 21 simple moving average or the weekly 21 simple moving average? So I do think there is some significance here in that the price action has converged with the daily 21 simple, okay? If it was to continue on an uptrend, at least. So this is something I'm paying attention to. It is at the top trend line of this symmetrical triangle pattern right now. And if we actually zoom into the hourly time frame, it does seem like the price action has been trying to break out of this ascending triangle pattern, okay? And we are getting a slight rejection right here, so very important to see what some of these candles will start doing on the hourly time frame here. Now, let's consider the bearish case scenario. The bearish case scenario will obviously for the price action to break down from the symmetrical triangle pattern. In that case, if it actually does break down by the apex, that would drop the price action all the way back down to about 23 cents. Of course, that is less likely just because of the pure statistics from this breakout pattern. You guys can go and verify that yourself. Now, as I mentioned, even if the price action breaks out of this symmetrical triangle pattern, it's very important that I pay attention to the RSI because it could signal possible bearish divergence from the previous RSI readings from this high right here. If there is possible bearish divergence, I would caution a pullback soon after that breakout. Now, this concludes my very short analysis of XRP USD for today. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know if you guys did. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. If you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you next time.